Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mute all channel notification at once on Telegram. Okay, let's get started. First thing first, we have to open our Telegram application. And after we have this Telegram application opened, we can go to the Telegram setting. Just click on the three lines on the top left and you have to select settings. And here we have to select the notifications and sounds setting right here. Click on this option, and here if you want to turn off all notification from the Telegram channel, you have to click on the circle button on the channel like this, and right after you disable the notification from channels, all notification from the Telegram channels will be muted automatically. And you can also add exception. Just click on this channel option, and here you can add exception and choose the channel that you want to activate the notification. And I'm just going to select this channel. I'm going to add exception for this channel. Okay, and after we add exception, the notification from this channel won't be muted even though I disable all notification from all channel on my Telegram. Alright guys, and that's how we can mute all notification from Telegram channel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.